Hello everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at YNC car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through both exterior and interior major talking points. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle and just go through a few more in-depth features of the interior. The vehicle itself is the 420i M Sport GRAN COUPE, and alongside that it is presented in the black sapphire metallic, and of course we fitted it with the full YNC car Mperformance body styling kit. You will of course also see the absolutely stunning 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels, which are also finished in the gloss black, which match very nicely with both the exterior and interior colours, which we will of course get onto very shortly. Being of course a 2019 plate, it does also have the facelift. As you can see there, we've got the LED facelifted darkened headlights along with the LED rear lights, which we'll get onto very shortly. Down the side of the car you'll see the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. We've also added the M4 wing-tipped aerodynamic mirror caps to this car, again just to really complete that look. The interior for the vehicle is the black Dakota leather, which again comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options, and all in all is a very clean and tidy place, which matches the exterior for being extremely nicely presented. Interior for the rear of the 4 Series GRAN COUPE is the 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest and of course the darkened M Sport headlining, as you can see there. We'll give you one last look at this side alloy wheels before heading round to the rear of the vehicle, where again I can show you off these new style facelifted rear LED lights. Of course, being LED, they are that little bit brighter, which is better for people to see you obviously in darker conditions. We've got the more OEM style rear ferric grey diffuser with the very nice aero centerpieces, and of course the high gloss rear boot spoiler, which is an automatic opening and closing tailgate on the GRAN COUPEs, and as you can see there is a very large space complete with the split folding seat option as well. Closing that down, I'll head round to the other side again to show you how nicely presented this 4 Series GRAN COUPE is, alongside with those very stunning alloy wheels. I'll head on inside the vehicle now and just talk you through a bit more in depth of the interior features. Straight away you'll notice the professional wide navigation and media screen the car does come with. I'll also start the car up and just run through a couple of the features. Navigation of course, and it is the newer style which comes with the real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. In terms of multimedia, you get DAB, music collection, AUX, CD, DVD of course, along with Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone. Heading back to the main menu, you can see there again, as part of that facelifted iDrive software, they've separated everything into little sub menus, again just making things that little bit more user friendly and a bit nicer on the eye. Down here is the dual climate control, again where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. The vehicle does also have the Connected Drive Plus, which not only gives you access to online search functions, news and weather, all powered by Google. As you can see by the little icon, it also has the function for Amazon Alexa, so I'm sure a lot of you may be familiar with that. However, if you're not, it works exactly like the Alexa functions you can get at home, so the little sound speakers or home speakers as they like to be known as. However, this one is obviously situated on board in the vehicle. To access it, all you have to do is pair your smartphone device to it, and using the speech function, which is situated on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. Alongside that, you'll also find the cruise control, speed limiter function, and of course the flappy pedals for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. So using the Alexa function in a vehicle is very useful, because of course you can ask it how is the traffic for a particular route you're about to set, or of course how is the weather for a particular town or city that you're about to travel to, which of course can have implications about how you get there or how fast you will travel to that place, or of course all of the other questions that you can ask normal Alexa smartphone or smart speakers. So as always guys, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video and found it useful. Of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, and of course I'll answer them as quick and as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the contact information and of course links to our website in the description, should you want to check out the vehicle in further details, along with all of our other absolutely incredible wider range of vehicles that are also on our website of course. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. If you are of course wanting to see all of our vehicles first of all in stock, this is the fastest way to do so, and remember, hit that subscribe button, that way you can be kept notified of any new in stock vehicles here at YNC car. Thank you very much. We hope to see you soon. Do take care and goodbye.